check it. What up? This your boy JMJ with Kitchen Time, cooking me some Sunday breakfast, all right? First, I'm gonna start off with all my ingredients. Got the nice little, eggs right here, that I'm gonna hook up. Then I'm gonna be doing something special with this, actually. Then I got my waffles and got pancakes. You're gonna be surprised at what I'm about to do with this. And then I got some chopped up turkey bacon and also some turkey sausage. All right. And then I got my regular size, turkey sausage and turkey bacon. All right. So I want to slap these on the grill first, so they can start, getting it cooked on. All right. So check this out though. Got my little glass right here, right? Because I'm about to make some. You heard of chicken and waffles. I'm about to make some turkey and waffles and turkey and pancakes, all right? So what I'm gonna do is cut a hole in the middle of the waffle and the pancake, and then I'm gonna put some egg in the middle, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some turkey sausage and turkey bacon in the middle, and kind of make me like some type of egg waffle or egg pancake, all right? So here you go. Got my little glass right here. To cut this nice circle in the middle. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Slice that up. All right. Hit the waffle up. Same thing. Put it in view so you can see. Check it out. Got that nice little piece right there. All right. And I just slap these on the grill. Actually, you know what? After my little workout, I'm kind of hungry. So I think I'm gonna have 2. All right. Knock these out. Slap these on the grill. And you don't have to throw these away, all right? You can slap these on the grill too and cook them. These, you heard of them silver dollar pancakes, and now you got silver dollar waffles now. I just invented that, so if it comes out, nobody better not try to take my idea. I'm coming for you, all right? So slap all that good stuff on the grill. And then what you're going to want to do is take a spoon, a teaspoon or a tablespoon, whichever, because you don't want to soggy up your pancake and your waffle, right? So you just take like a nice little spoonful and just put it in the center of the waffle and the pancake. Make sure you fill it up so it'll fill up the circle. And then as it's cooking, where's my heat at? There's my heat on. I can pour it in there, but I don't want to get it too much in there and soak up the pancake and soak up the waffle. So I just take my time and put the spoon in there and let that cook up. Yeah, buddy, looking good. This egg is kind of thick. There you go. Fill that hole up. Alright. Alright, so that's done. And then what you want to do is sprinkle your little sausage in there. Put sausage in one. Turkey sausage. And then put some turkey bacon in the other one. Let that cook up. And while that's cooking, I'm going to hook up the other 2. Because I want to have a turkey waffle, turkey sausage waffle, and a turkey bacon waffle, and a turkey sausage pancake, and a turkey sausage pancake. So pretty much one to each is what I'm saying. Alright. And that should do it for that one. Filling that up. Now let me see. Put some turkey sausage in that, turkey bacon in that one. Put the turkey sausage in that one. Call that a deal. Alright, have to grab a spatula. And with the extra over here, if you want, you can actually slap some egg inside of the little silver dollar waffle here. And and you know, and pretty much have like a egg bake kind of deal or whatever like that. All right. As soon as that finish hooking up, she was cooking up under there. So when I pick it up, oh yeah, there you go. Time to flip it over. Flip it over, flip the other side. Bam! Oh my God! Once that cooks up, see how that looks in there? Looks nice in there, right? So once it cooks up on the other side, slam it over. Get the other pancake over there. I'm gonna show you how it look on the other side once that side cooks up. And it fills in the pancake like great. Like I said, I'm gonna drop some egg inside these little nooks and crannies of the waffles. Then I'm gonna flip those over. So I'm gonna have some like egg flavored waffles. Alright, slap that over. Matter of fact, we're gonna put it on both sides. Alright. Like I said, don't put too much because you don't want to soggy up the waffle. Turkey sausage over here cooking up. Hope you guys can see this over here because it's looking good. Oh yeah. And that's the pancake. See the little sausage in the middle? Alright. Then here's the other pancake with the turkey bacon in the middle. See how that look? Looking good, baby, looking good. And like I said, the egg fills up nice in there. And there's the sausage one. And there's the waffle. Alright? And you see how quick the griddle cooks. It cooks, you know, fairly quick. So you don't have to wait around. So if you're hungry like me after a workout, then yeah, you be hooking it up. That's how the little silver dollar egg waffle gonna look. Got the little egg in the middle, so that's gonna probably taste good. Can't do it with the little silver dollar pancakes, but that's fine. All right, so I'm gonna set that up and give you guys another close look. And then I'm about to go munch down. Oh, I can't pick up the hot cherry, but I'm gonna zoom in over here for you guys. All right, see how over there looking good, looking good. All right, and that's been a Sunday breakfast with your boy JMJ. All right, and I'll see you on my next joint. See ya. Yo, check it, what up? I just wanted to come back at you with the finished project before I destroy it. Yum, 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 yum. See ya.